One of the projects that we've been implementing over the last 18 months has been to improve and rehabilitate aquatic habitat for fish. What we've discovered is that we've actually lost a lot of the aquatic habitat and the particular species that actually provide food webs and habitat for fish, for crabs, for other little beasties that live in the waterway. Our aquatic habitat project has been transplanting some of the habitat into new areas to see if we can accelerate the rehabilitation of aquatic habitat for fish, for crabs and for other native species. Oysters are a really good example of the whole of system approach, and they also are really important because they provide multiple ecosystem services that we as humans rely on. They improve our water quality by filtering water. They provide habitat for other species like fish. Oyster reef have been really important in the past in this catchment in protecting the mangrove systems. So they provide hard incrustation around the root structures. This helps to prevent erosion and loss of the mangrove system. The mangroves themselves are very important because they're carbon sinks. The current situation is that without the oyster reef, we're experiencing substantial bank erosion, and our mangrove system is currently in transition from a carbon sink into a carbon source, which has very huge implications for climate change.